Hello, in this video I want to show you cosmetic condition, the working condition of this beautiful lens Jupiter-12. It was produced in 1958. It's very old and rare lens, and it have mount m39. It's for range finder cameras like Leica with mount m39, or for Zorkiy, or for Fed, or for Leningrad, for old USSR rangefinder cameras. You see, first of all I want to show that front lens and the back lens, you can see it on the photos and on this video, don't have any scratches, no fungus or haze inside lens, maybe invisible micro scratches, but I can see it through light. Maybe you can find it on my photos. It's in very good condition, you can see. The focus ring goes nice and smooth, a little bit tight. Maybe. For me it's good. And the diaphragm works also nice and smooth without any problems. The item goes with the original front cap. It don't fix when you shake it, it's down. And this original back part for protect back lens, and original case for Jupiter-12 for camera Zorkiy, as you can see. Thanks for watching.